We have a new brand. It's called Eeeya. So juicy and plumpy. How cute are they? You can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. Not happening. My nails are already on, they're already prepped, they're already ready to go because I tried out something new the other day. The V Beauty Pure, formerly known as Valentino, their air dry peel off base. I used it underneath my nail art so I could just, gee, my knee, it's really hard to get off. So I could just peel it off when I was ready, and it worked amazing. And they were on perfect. They were not peeling off. I was worried they were going to come off like that night in the shower. But I shower every day. I do all kinds of stuff. And they were not peeling. They were on perfect. And they didn't look like lumpy or bumpy or anything. I love this stuff. I love it. And I think because it's thick, it does peel off really well when you go to peel it off. I'll show you my peelies. See? How cool is that? So this was literally on here like that, and I just peeled it right off. That's why we're already ready to go, and I'm not going to be putting the nails on with you guys. We're going to get straight into the art, into the fun stuff. I will also add that I did add more peel off base to the area down here, because normally I would obviously want to be doing a fill because there is quite a little gap here from the last week from grow out. I'm just going to cover that with gel later. We'll be good to go. But I did add more of my peel off base just to that little area, just so when I go to pop these off, when I'm done with them, they will pop off and they won't get stuck here at the bottom. You know what I mean? So I just did a little bit of dehydrator just right there, and then I used a little skinny brush and my Jello peel off base and just put it right there. So we're all ready to go. We have a new brand. It's called Eeeya. Triple E, yeah. The collection is called First Love, and it's brand spanking new. Well, I filmed this. It's not even available yet, but when you guys see this video, it will be available on Sweetie. It is on their website on the 22nd. And look at the bottles. Now, they did not make these bottles just because, oh, they're so cute, they're hearts. They actually made these bottles because the shape of them makes it way easier for you to get all of your gel out instead of having like a straight up and down bottle, like a square bottle. This, being pointed like this, lets you get the gel that's way down at the bottom. Genius! We're going to be using these Ombre French stencils because I'm going to do a few nails with a clear tip, so I want to use the stencil to just make it easier on myself and put the stencil here so I can do the jelly down here. Hopefully it makes things a little bit easier. I don't know, it might just be easier just to paint it on. My goodness. Ooh, that is juicy. Yeah, the sticker's just gonna keep popping off. It's gonna piss me off. So juicy and plumpy. Honestly, these are like really easy to use. They blend really well. They're not streaky at all. Like I literally only put 2 coats on and they look perfect. Do a full cure. Full cure. Oh my, literally perfection. Oh, literally perfect. Are you kidding? Look at that. Oh, I am obsessed. So pretty. Oh. Opening up a new one. My other one is like gross. It's almost gone and it's full of glitter and stuff. I'm gonna stick some of these in here, some of the smaller ones. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? So pretty. Like, I can't wait to top coat these. Dear Lord. Time to make some little calico critters. Actually, we're just gonna make one because I've already made 3. How cute is that? They're in little strawberry outfits. I've been busy making charms. How cute are they? So I want to have 4 total, 2 for each hand. So I'll make 1 more with you guys. I'm telling you, AliExpress has really good molds, guys. And I get these at AliExpress also. It's UV resin, but it's already colored and it's made for charms. Not done yet, but I'm going to cure it because I'm like a little over halfway filled. I'm going to cure and then come back and put the rest in so it gets cured all the way because they're a little big. I'm going to cure again. Make sure you cure both sides. Put this in your lamp, minute, flip it, minute. I actually flip it again and flip it again because these charms are a little thick. They're a little chunky, so you got to cure them really, really well. So cute. All right, I'm gonna paint the little strawberry portion red. Now we need some green. Eyeballs, little stripes. I'm gonna make some frosting. I'm gonna add this Dino It's Nail O'Clock glitter gel. I'm just gonna add it to the tips, to the clear part. Like, oh. Love. I've been playing around. I think I've finally decided what charms to put on the other fingers. It's only like 10:27 p.m. Oh, I didn't make any of these with you, huh? I'll show you the mold. It's from this mold, and it is from AliExpress. I have another affordable nail supply haul video coming, guys. All of these, I think all of these molds are in there. So I will have links for you. I will also link them in this video. But how cute is this? Little biscuits. Lord be with me. I just need to seal these all in. And then I'm done with this hand. I still have this. I'm doing these tomorrow. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can't make me. You can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. Not happening. Tomorrow morning. Yeah. This stuff is amazing. The set is amazing. It comes with the parts gel to apply your charms, and then this to seal your charms. So good. If you don't seal all the edges of all your charms, for one, they pop off way easier, but for two, that's when they get stuck in everything. Specifically my hair, it will drive me out of my mind. Like, I will rip my nails off. I have a lot of hair. I have extensions. So if my charms, if my nails are like getting stuck in my hair, oh my God, I cannot. I'm going to continue this and watch Nurse Jackie for the probably, I'm not kidding, probably the 60th time. I don't know. It's a good show. If you haven't watched it, it's on Netflix. It's awesome. I'm going to go watch that while I seal these. I'll be back to top coat with you. We also have new top coats to try from Devoc. We've got the skinny and the glossy. I'm excited, and I really hope this is amazing because I have been a Yogo zombie ride or die since it came out. Low has been out of stock on Sweetie for like 25 years. So hence, that's why I bought these ones, because I need to find a replacement since I'm going to run out of my low version, and that cannot happen. So I hope Devoc is just as good or better. I have high hopes. So I will be back tomorrow to show you the final design, the finished nails, both hands. But so far that top coat, me like. It's very shiny. All done. 2 days later. I did add a cat eye to the tips of these. It's actually brand new. I added these to the tips of these ones. I did not, obviously, over here, because I would have had to buff off the top coat. It was a whole thing. Oh. So pretty. So pretty. Swatch video coming. Alright, you guys, let me know what you think. I think they're so cute. I love them. I just don't know which one I like more. Cat eye? Just the butter yellow. I just thought the butter yellow looked a little bit plain. So I was like, should I add polka dots, lines, plaid? I don't know. I couldn't decide, and I honestly just did not want to have to buff off the top coat. Oh, and the top coat. The new Divock skinny top coat. I love it. It reminds me very much of the Yogo Zombie Low, which is my all-time fave. It's all I use. So I think if you like that, you're going to love this, and I'm so glad that we have something else we can use since the Yogo is never in stock. So, sucks for them. Now we have a new one. All right, you guys, I love ya. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I post. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.